Let's be real, we've all been there. You walk into the gym, full of motivation, but after a few weeks you start to wonder if you're missing something. Maybe you're not seeing results as fast as you hoped, or you're feeling overwhelmed by all the advice out there. It's easy to get discouraged, especially when it seems like everyone else is making progress except you. Scrolling through Instagram, you're bombarded by jacked dudes with six-pack abs, all promising insane muscle growth with their secret supplement stack. Every swipe brings a new ad, a new transformation story, or a new must-have product that claims to be the missing link in your fitness journey. It's almost impossible not to feel like you're falling behind if you're not buying what they're selling. You're tempted, right? We've all been sucked in by the hype, hoping for a shortcut to our dream physique. The idea of a quick fix is so appealing. Just take this pill or powder and suddenly you'll be bigger, stronger, and leaner. It's no wonder so many of us have fallen for the promise of easy gains at least once. But here's the truth. Most supplements are a waste of your hard-earned cash. The fitness industry is a multi-billion-dollar machine, and a huge chunk of that money comes from people just like you and me, hoping to buy results. The reality? Most of these products don't deliver on their promises, and you end up with nothing but an emptier wallet. They prey on our desire for quick results, making bold claims backed by flashy marketing and questionable science. The labels scream, clinically proven, or doctor recommended. But if you dig a little deeper, you'll find that most of these claims are based on tiny studies, cherry-picked data, or flat-out marketing tricks. It's all designed to make you believe you need their product to succeed. But before you empty your wallet on another tub of overpriced powder, let me break down the worst offenders in the muscle-building supplement world. There are so many options out there, it's easy to get lost in the noise. Some supplements are just expensive placebos, while others might even do more harm than good. You deserve to know which ones are worth your time, and which ones you should avoid at all costs. We'll separate the facts from the hype and help you make smarter choices for real, sustainable gains. It's not about demonizing all supplements, but about understanding what actually works and what's just clever marketing. With the right knowledge, you can invest your money where it truly counts, on things that will actually help you reach your goals. Remember, building muscle is a marathon, not a sprint. There's no magic pill or secret formula. The real secret is consistency, showing up, putting in the work, and making small improvements over time. That's what leads to lasting results, not some powder in a flashy tub. It takes consistent effort in the gym and a well-planned diet. Supplements can play a role, but only if you choose wisely. Focus on real food, proper training, and recovery first. If you do decide to use supplements, make sure they're backed by solid evidence and fit your actual needs, not just the latest trend. So let's dive in and expose the truth about these muscle-building imposters. By the end of this, you'll know exactly what to avoid, what to look for, and how to make every dollar count on your fitness journey. Let's get started. Have you ever found yourself standing in the supplement aisle, feeling completely overwhelmed by the endless rows of colorful tubs and bottles? Each one seems to shout at you with bold claims, promising everything from rapid muscle growth to instant fat loss. The labels are packed with confusing ingredients, scientific-sounding jargon, and words you've never even heard of. It's easy to feel lost, unsure of what's actually worth your money and what's just clever marketing. You're definitely not alone in this. Supplement companies are experts at using flashy packaging, buzzwords, and big promises to grab your attention. They know how to make their products look irresistible, using phrases like clinically proven, maximum strength, or doctor recommended to make you believe you're making a smart choice. But often, these claims are designed more to sell products than to actually help you reach your fitness goals. It's important not to get swept up in the hype. Just because a supplement has a shiny label or a celebrity endorsement doesn't mean it's effective or even safe. Companies spend millions on marketing to convince you their product is the secret to success. But real results come from understanding what you're actually putting into your body. The real story is always in the ingredients list and the science behind those ingredients. Take a closer look at what's inside the bottle. Are the ingredients backed by solid research, or are they just there to sound impressive? Sometimes the most important information is hidden in the fine print, not on the front of the label. Watch out for red flags like proprietary blends, which can hide the actual dosages of ingredients, making it impossible to know what you're really getting. Be skeptical of exaggerated claims that promise miracle results overnight, and look out for ingredients that have little to no scientific support. If a product can't be transparent about what's inside, that's a sign to be cautious. Always remember, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. There are no shortcuts or magic pills when it comes to building muscle or improving your health. Trust your instincts and don't let marketing tricks cloud your judgment. Instead of falling for quick fixes and miracle promises, focus on what really works: consistent effort, smart nutrition, and patience. Real muscle growth and lasting results come from hard work and informed choices, not from emptying your wallet on the latest supplement fad. Take control of your health by being a smart, skeptical consumer, and you'll be much better off in the long run. Protein is crucial for muscle building, but more doesn't always equal better. We're constantly bombarded with messages to chug protein shakes and hit sky-high protein targets. While adequate protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, there's a limit to how much your body can effectively utilize. Excess protein won't magically transform you into Arnold Schwarzenegger. Your body will simply break it down for energy, or store it as fat. Instead of focusing on extreme protein intake, prioritize getting enough protein from whole food sources like lean meats, fish, eggs, and beans. A balanced diet with adequate protein, along with consistent training, is the key to maximizing muscle growth. Don't fall into the trap of excessive protein consumption. Creatine is one of the most researched and effective supplements for muscle building. It can increase strength, power, and muscle mass. However, there's still a lot of confusion and misinformation surrounding creatine. Some people shy away from creatine, fearing side effects like bloating or kidney damage. These claims are largely exaggerated. Creatine is safe for most healthy individuals when taken at recommended dosages. Don't be afraid to incorporate creatine into your supplement regimen. It's a safe and effective way to enhance your performance and accelerate your muscle-building journey. We've all been there, right? You walk into the gym, maybe after a long day at work or a restless night, and you just feel sluggish. Your motivation is low, your body feels heavy, and the thought of pushing through a tough workout seems almost impossible. It's a super common experience, and honestly it's one of the main reasons people start looking for a quick fix to get that energy boost. And let's be real, it's easy to be tempted by the promise of a pre-workout supplement. The bright packaging, the bold claims, and the idea that just one scoop can turn you into a powerhouse in the gym, it's hard to resist. These supplements are everywhere, and they promise to give you that edge, that extra push you think you need to crush your training session. So you mix up a drink, shake it up, and start to feel that buzz. Suddenly, you're ready to go, feeling like you can take on anything. But here's the catch. Most pre-workouts are loaded with stimulants like caffeine, artificial sweeteners, and a bunch of ingredients hidden behind the term proprietary blends. These proprietary blends can be a real problem because you never really know what you're getting or how much of each ingredient is in there. Some of these ingredients might give you a temporary high, but they can also come with side effects like jitters, anxiety, or even heart palpitations. And that initial energy rush? It might feel awesome for a little while, but it's usually followed by a crash that leaves you feeling worse than before. You might get through your workout, but then you're left feeling jittery, anxious, or just plain depleted. Relying on stimulants for motivation can actually mask real fatigue, making it harder to listen to your body and know when you actually need rest. Over time, this can really hold back your progress. Your body needs proper recovery, not just a temporary jolt of energy. Instead of reaching for a quick fix every time you feel tired, try to focus on the basics, getting enough quality sleep, allowing your muscles to recover, and listening to your body's signals. Fueling your body with nutritious foods is just as important. Whole foods, plenty of water, and balanced meals provide the kind of steady, reliable energy that actually supports your workouts and your overall health. And don't forget about managing your stress levels. Things like meditation, deep breathing, or even just taking a walk can make a huge difference in how you feel, both in and out of the gym. Building these habits might take a little more effort than just scooping some powder into a shaker, but the payoff is so much bigger. Sustainable energy, better results, and a healthier relationship with your body, that's what really supports your fitness goals in the long run. Testosterone boosters are heavily marketed to guys, promising to increase testosterone levels and unlock superhuman strength and muscle growth. But before you fall for the hype, let's separate fact from fiction. While testosterone is, crucial for muscle building, most testosterone boosters contain ineffective doses of ingredients or lack scientific backing for their claims. They might provide a temporary boost in libido or energy, but they won't magically transform you into a muscle-bound behemoth. Instead of wasting money on these questionable products, focus on natural ways to optimize your testosterone levels. Prioritize sleep, manage stress, lift heavy weights, and consume a balanced diet with adequate zinc and vitamin D. Fat burners are another popular category of supplements that promise to melt away fat and reveal a shredded physique. But these products often come with a long list of potential side effects, from jitters and anxiety to heart palpitations and insomnia. The truth is there's no shortcut to fat loss. It takes consistent effort in the gym and a calorie-controlled diet. Fat burners might provide a temporary energy boost or suppress appetite, but they won't magically burn fat without putting in the work. Instead of relying on potentially dangerous supplements, focus on sustainable lifestyle changes. Prioritize whole, unprocessed foods, stay hydrated, get enough sleep, and manage stress levels. These habits will support your fat loss journey in a safe and effective way. Let's cut through the noise and get back to basics. Building muscle doesn't require a cabinet full of expensive supplements. The real magic happens through consistent effort, proper nutrition, and adequate recovery. Focus on the fundamentals. Progressive overload. Challenge your muscles with heavier weights or increased resistance over time. Calorie surplus. Consume slightly more calories than you burn to support muscle growth. Adequate protein. Fuel your muscles with enough protein for repair and growth. Sufficient rest. Allow your body to recover and rebuild muscle tissue. Remember, supplements are just that, supplements. They can enhance your results, but they can't replace hard work, dedication, and a solid foundation of training and nutrition. Navigating the world of muscle-building supplements can feel overwhelming, but don't get discouraged. Armed with the right knowledge, you can make informed decisions and avoid wasting money on ineffective products. Remember, building muscle is a journey, not a race. There's no quick fix or magic pill. Focus on the fundamentals. Train hard, eat right, recover properly, and supplement wisely. You've got this. Now go out there and crush your fitness goals.